Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, we'll be reinstalling a frontal wig. So this is my friend Amanda. She is a YouTuber too. I will put a link down in the description to her page. So she had a trip the next day, and this was at about 9 p.m. We're trying to get her hair done. So I'm just gonna work you guys through the whole process. So right now I'm basically just braiding her hair down. You can braid your hair down as flat as possible so you can get a really flat install. At this point she was tired and she was like, girl, just do like 8 braids so we can get this over with. I was like, nope. If you want your hair to look good and lay flat, then we had to have her braids laid down flat. So I'll be doing pigtails today, so just stay tuned until the end and watch me do that. Also, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning, and I hope you love this video as you have loved all the other videos. Without further ado, please just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, we're just gonna keep braiding her hair down, and we are almost done, you guys. Another tip for you guys is, if you notice that your client is suffering from hair loss on their hairline or in front, what you can do is do not braid the edges. Just let it be, and then you can use eco styling gel like you see me do to slick the edges backwards, and then you blow dry them. That way you're saving your edges. Guys, I used to use got to be glue gel. I just noticed that has alcohols in it and it is not safe for your hairline. So please stop using any alcohol products, because that dries out your hairline, dries out your skin, and it's not good. So please use products that don't have alcohol. So I'm just going to lay the ball cap down. As you can see me do, I use the boat hole glue. I love this method because it dries quicker, and you guys, as you can see, I'm not even done applying it and it's already dry. So I just apply one thin layer around her forehead, and I do this following her hairline. And trust me guys, this is the easiest way you can get your cap to lay down real flat. Again, I do not use got to be glue spray anymore, because again, it dries out the hairline and I'm not wanting to do that. I just realized I lost some footage, but before I put down the ball cap, I applied within the lines of her cornrow with oil, or hair growth oil. I'll insert a picture right here. And this oil works like magic, you guys. It is so amazing for your hair, and if you want to grab one, the link is down in the description box. So once I finished applying the glue on her forehead, I went around and sewed down the cap around her hair behind. So once I cut it, it should be good. Then I go in with my True Complexion palette from medium to dark. I use the complexion in the middle. I don't know what one that is, but I use the one in the middle, and I apply it on the cap before I cut it. This is an easier way, so once you cut it, it lays so smooth, it lays so thin, and you don't have to do too much. So that same makeup, I'm gonna use that and apply it underneath the wig too, the lace of the wig too. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the wig cap, and do you see how it just blends? Like, yeah, this is what you should get. You can go over it again with some foundation if you would like, but yeah, I just went over now with layers of glue, but before I did that, I cleaned her forehead with alcohol to protect her skin from the glue. So you're just gonna take your glue and apply 3 thin layers over the circumference of the hair where you want your lace to lay. Also, guys, the width of the glue matters. If you want your wig to last long, the width of the glue matters. Put the glue in front of the hair, thin layers, but make sure it covers a wider spot on her forehead as you see me do. So once you apply one layer, wait for it to dry clear and apply the next. But as you can see, once you apply thin layers, you don't even have to wait. Before you're done on the other side, the side you applied first would be dry. So just watch me do this and then I'll put the wig on. And in case I did not mention, the wig we'll be installing today is from our hair collection. It's the Z wig. You can get it either under the ready to ship wigs on our website or a custom made wig. This wig was made about 3 months ago and it's in 28 inches. When I tell y'all this hair is still so bomb, just watch to the end. Now, when it comes to laying the lace down, have your client help you hold it. So adjust it in the back and then take the lace and put it right on top where you laid the glue. You can start in the middle and then go to the sides. It's very crucial that you work in sections so you can have it installed properly. When you put the lace down, press it in, make sure it really gets into the glue and melts properly. You can also go in with your scissors to cut out any parts that may be flying and then go in with your blow dryer on cool setting just to melt that lace in even further. Since this is an old wig that we are reinstalling, there are parts that have probably shedded on the frontal and you will see me try to pull them and cut it because we don't want that white line across her forehead. That is not cute. So I'm going to cut that and then go into styling her wig. Now, if you know how to braid on natural hair, then you're good. But if you have never tried braiding a wig or a hair that soft, you cannot understand the struggle I'm about to go into. So this was so hard to break down to these two pigtails, but I tried and failed many times, but I did it. So I'm just sectioning out the part that I would want to break down, and then I'll brush it, use my hot comb, have the hair slicked down, and then start struggling to break this down. Like, y'all, just watch. After trying multiple times, I think I got it now. I'm just going to secure the braid with elastic bands, black ones, so it matches and blends with the hair. And another secret, guys, is to just be careful when you're braiding. Do not lose your grip for a minute, because this hair is going to slide back. So when I did this, I showed her and she was like, yeah, she likes it. So and I went over and did the other side the same way. Again, I left the elastic band on her forehead all thirds just so while I'm pulling, the hair does not lift. While I'm pulling and braiding, the hair does not lift. Now I'm going to do her baby hairs, and I am going to use Got To Be Glue gel to do the baby hairs just so they can last longer. I'm not a baby hair master, but as you can see, the little that I did, she loved it. So yeah, we're just going to work with that. So I'm just going to use our Gancy Fame scarves and tie this down so it can dry. And we are going to wet this hair and make it look cute as if it's a brand new wig, you guys. Like, I'm loving this. Y'all, this is like a gender reveal for me. Like, what lace? Sis, hair on flicks. I'm just like cleaning up any oils or anything that might be on her forehead with alcohol. And you guys, just doing some finishing touches, cutting down the wig cap in the back, making sure hair is secure. See them curls. Like, my girl is ready to go on this trip. Like, I did her good. Y'all, I'm loving this hair so much. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and watch my girl slay her hair.